In this video, I'll teach you 15 Albanian conjunctions that native speakers use every day, so you can sound smoother and smarter in every conversation. Let's get started. First, we have to explain why conjunctions matter. Conjunctions are the words that connect your ideas. Words like and, but, because, so. They help you speak in full, flowing sentences. In Albanian, knowing these words makes a huge difference. It's the difference between sounding like a beginner and sounding like a real speaker. Let's go through 15 Albanian conjunctions grouped by function with short native-style examples for each. Group number 1, basic sentence builders. Dhe, which means and. Kam një motër dhe një vëlla. Kam një motër dhe një vëlla. I have a sister and a brother. Second one, por, but, por. Doja të vija, por isha I zën. Doja të vija, por isha I zën. I wanted to come, but I was busy. Number 3, ose. Ose means or. Dëshiron çaj ose kafe? Dëshiron çaj ose kafe? Do you want tea or coffee? Very good. Now moving on to group number 2, cause and effect. Sepse, sepse, because. Nuk dola, sepse po binte shi. Nuk dola, sepse po binte shi. I didn't go out because it was raining. Number 5, prandaj. Prandaj, which means so or that's why. So giving a reason or a cause. Nuk studioj, prandaj dështoj. Nuk studioj, prandaj dështoj. He didn't study, that's why he failed. And the last one for this group, ndaj. It's like prandaj. It's almost synonymous, but people use them differently sometimes. So ndaj means so or for that reason. Ishte von, ndaj nuk erdhi. Ishte von, ndaj nuk erdhi. It was late, so, or for that reason, he didn't come. Very well, moving on to our group number 3 for time and condition. We have 3 conjunctions for this group. First one, nëse. Nëse, if. Nëse ke kohë, hajde me mua. Nëse ke kohë, hajde me mua. If you have time, come with me. Second one, derisa. Derisa, until. Do të pres derisa të mbarosh. Do të pres derisa të mbarosh. I'll wait for you until you finish. And the last one for this group, për sa kohë që. Për sa kohë që. For as long as. Do të qëndroj këtu për sa kohë që të kesh nevojë. Do të qëndroj këtu për sa kohë që të kesh nevojë. I'll stay here for as long as you need me. Moving on, in our group 4, contrast and comparison. Megjithatë. Megjithatë. It means however or nevertheless. Ishte I lodhur. Megjithatë punoi. Ishte I lodhur. Megjithatë punoi. He was tired. However, he worked, or nevertheless, he worked. Second one in this group, ndonse or megjithse, which are used interchangeably, and they mean although. Ndonse, megjithse. Ndonse ishte ftohtë, doli jashtë. Megjithse ishte ftohtë, doli jashtë. Although it was cold, she went out. Last one for this group, ndërsa. Ndërsa, means while or whereas. Mua më pëlqen vera, ndërsa atij I pëlqen dimri. Mua më pëlqen vera, ndërsa atij I pëlqen dimri. I like the summer, whereas he likes the winter. And our last group for today, explanation and conclusion. First one in this group, që. Që. Që is very commonly used. It means that or so that. Mendoj që do të vijë sot. Mendoj që do të vijë sot. I think that he will come today. Në mënyrë që. Në mënyrë që. In order to. Punoj shumë në mënyrë që të kursej. Punoj shumë në mënyrë që të kursej. I work hard in order to save. And the last one, pra. Pra, which means so or then. Pra, çfarë do të bëjmë tani? Pra, çfarë do të bëjmë tani? So, what are we going to do now? Very well. Let's see how these work together and make you sound like a native when you put them all together. I have given only some examples here, but I expect you to be writing your sentences and your examples using these conjunctions below in the comments. Let's see these examples that I've put up for you. Bleva buk dhe qumësht, por harrova vezët ose gjalpin. Bleva buk dhe qumësht, por harrova vezët ose gjalpin. I bought bread and milk, but I forgot the eggs or the butter. Ai nuk më dëgjoi sepse ishte I zënë me telefonin. Prandaj u mërzita. Ai nuk më dëgjoi sepse ishte I zënë me telefonin. Prandaj u mërzita. He didn't listen to me because he was busy on his phone, therefore I got upset. Nëse më premton që do të vish, do të pres këtu derisa të mbërrish, për sa kohë që nuk vonohesh shumë. Nëse më premton që do të vish, do të pres këtu derisa të mbërrish, për sa kohë që nuk vonohesh shumë. If you promise that you'll come, I'll wait here until you arrive, as long as you're not too late. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence in Albanian using any 2 or 3 conjunctions in the comments. I'll reply and correct or give you a high five if it's perfect. These are the Albanian conjunctions that will take your speaking from basic to fluent. If you want more lessons like this, hit subscribe and check out the intermediate playlist for more grammar, conversation, and real Albanian. If you're interested in one-on-one lessons together, please make sure to send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com. And I will see you in the next video.